Okay, showing you how to repair drywall or plaster either. Square up your hole with a coarse keyhole saw, hammer, whatever. Get your drywall in there and you got it plugged, and go ahead and put your fiberglass tape on it. You know how to do that. So here we come now with some fast setting joint compound. Comes in a white bag at Home Depot. I've got a 12-inch broad knife that I'm going to use on my next coat. And what you want to do, get the mesh tape covered the first time. That's a must that you hide the mesh tape the first coat. Make sure it's hidden, or you'll be trying to cover it on your last coat. Don't worry about getting it real smooth the first time. Let that set up now, and we'll come back with a second coat. It takes 20 minutes for this to set.